beautiful her eyes are. Wow. Kind of hard to see because of the sun. You are beautiful. Beautiful horsey. There's another one over there.
I want this one. I want to ride this one.
I know. Her eyes. Wow. You can't really see them on the camera so good. But they're good. Oh, thank you for giving us a side view. I don't have any more treats. I'm sorry.
There's some water to wash down your apple and your treats and your cookies.
Oh, she's gorgeous. Gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. I do good with horses. You're beautiful. Oh, there's another little white stallion out there. Well, it's not really a stallion. I don't know. Yes. Oh,
Which one is that?
beautiful. Very pretty. What are you doing? There's the alpha horse over there. That is, I forgot her name, but this one is like Samoa or something. Hazel, what's that one's name again?
Scarlet.
Yeah, that one's Scarlet. And this is Samoa. Oh, wow, you are beautiful.
You're a beautiful girl.
Gorgeous. I hope you guys can see her eyes on this camera. Her eyes are gorgeous. Wow.
Eyelashes.
Her eyes are amazing. I love your eyes. Aw, that one was sad. We're getting horse manure for our garden, so we thought we'd stop by and see the horses too. Wow, this one's gorgeous. Samoa, you are beautiful. She's supposed to be like the really smart one. He's very gorgeous. So we just want to show you guys it. Oh, that one is Rio, I think. I think I just said that. But yeah, so they have 3 horses and they're very gorgeous. So we just wanted to show you guys that. Okay. Hazel.